Hi friends, Namaskar, good morning. Welcome to the next edition of Monday Mantra. 15 years ago, when I was heading a prestigious branch of a bank, a very elderly person in his 80s came into my cabin with a very strange request. He asked me, "Can you please allow your security staff at the ATM to come with me for a few minutes so that I can withdraw cash from another bank which is just across the road? Because I am pretty old, I am afraid of bringing that much cash," he said. I politely told him that the security of my ATM could not be spared. But instead, I offered myself to go with him. I just asked him what was that amount, and he said it was 50,000 rupees. But still, both of us, we went in my car, we took the cash from the other bank, and I dropped him at his house, which was quite nearer to my bank. In another half an hour's time, the gentleman again entered my cabin, profusely thanking me for the good gestures. And this time he said he was touched by my timely help, and so he has decided to move his entire deposit of 40 lakh rupees from the other bank to my bank. What a way to get my Friday figures boosted in those days of hard banking. Going as escort for somebody to withdraw cash from another bank was not part of my duty as a manager. But I helped that elderly person going that extra mile beyond the call of my duty on humanitarian grounds. And the benefits I got for my bank because of this gesture, they were immense. This is what walking that extra mile can do to us. Walking the extra mile means making a difference, first in your life and then in the lives of others. We see in our life many people who are struggling, slogging for years in the same job, in search of a breakthrough, trying to be successful, yet they don't change the way they work. Please understand, when you walk that extra mile beyond the call of your duty, a new territory opens up in front of you. You expand your capacity and capabilities to achieve a lot more, and you deliver more than what you promise. Walking the extra mile is a great enabler. The benefits and rewards you get are marvelous. It is the difference between being an ordinary person and an extraordinary person. The choice is yours. In the present times, whatever genuine things you do a little more, a little better, and a little faster. They have all become necessary for survival today. Whether it is in business or profession or in life, you have to be creative, more transparent, more tolerant, and more responsive. And at the same time, exploring new areas and new opportunities. If you are in business, think of one all new idea out of the box and implement that cutting edge idea or technology to improve the quality, to prune down your cost, to attract new customers, and to surpass your competitors. That extra effort, concern, and commitment you show will directly impact your business. Your cash flow will improve, and the business will make a big turnaround. It is not just doing things or being in business for so many years, but walking that extra mile that matters to make your products and services better, smarter, to make a difference from the way others are doing business. If you are a working professional and wondering why, in spite of your hard work, sincerity, you are not getting the recognition you deserve, then you ask yourself, am I working smart enough? How many occasions have I volunteered to take up additional responsibility? Have I contributed anything to solve any big problems? Or participated in crisis management in my company? And if you just follow 9 to 5 work culture, probably you may not get your answers right. But when you walk that extra mile, Your creativity, innovation, commitment, and contribution in vital areas of growth will make you an indispensable person in your organization. If you want to make a mark, aim high and think like a CEO of your company. Put your thoughts, actions, behavior, and your work culture all in alignment with those of the CEO. Always believe that you are more powerful than the situation that you are handling. You decide whether you want to be in the 9 to 5 club or to join the elite club of achievers. When you deliver more than what you promise, you get your recognition and due rewards. It is as simple as that. In studies, you get ignited by the curiosity to learn. Burning the midnight oil, you gather more knowledge. Be more passionate about experimenting with what you have learned. And in sports, you sweat it out in practice sessions with patience, hard work, and perseverance. Single pointedly focusing on your goal, you become outstanding in the chosen field. So, whatever you do in life, walking that extra mile is the recipe for excellence. Some people say walking the extra mile is so scary because it is less crowded and it is a path less traveled. And precisely for the same reasons, great achievers enthusiastically they say that a less crowded road is much easier to negotiate. And walking through a road less traveled, you can always leave behind a very strong footprint. Human enterprise is never in short supply of great ideas. Even during the present pandemic time, you become more innovative. This is the time to cut down your costs, leveraging technology, accessing professional expertise, networking with right people and opportunities. This is a great time to experiment, to optimize, and to excel in whatever you do. Just think of the situation. You are the head of R&D in a frontline pharma company developing vaccine for COVID-19, let us say. Your clinical test results are highly favorable, and yet a few more critical steps are to be cleared before the launch. It is just a matter of time. You come to know there are few more global pharma companies almost in the same footing, running neck and neck in the race. What will be your thinking, your mind's pattern, and the efforts you and your team would take to reach the number one position? The guts, wisdom, character, and the push required to touch the finish line is all what it takes to achieve by walking that extra mile. Friends, this journey is not for the weak-minded, but essentially for the brave, for the real performers and achievers. Archimedes once said, "Give me 1 square foot of land outside this world where I will plant my feet, and with my one hand I will put this world into yet another orbit." That is what walking that extra mile can do. That will open up venues for great action with enormous energy, enthusiasm, and confidence. So, friends, the message is clear. If you want to make a mark, be smarter than others, but just don't tell them so. Let your actions speak for you. The moment you start walking that extra mile, transformation begins to happen in your life like a magic. So make a beginning, start walking, and enjoy the journey. All the best.